In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Mail Merge. By the end, you'll know how to quickly generate personalized documents for multiple leads at once, saving time while keeping everything consistent and professional. First, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual credentials and make sure you're in the correct organization. It helps to close any extra tabs or distractions so you can focus on the workflow. Once the CRM loads, take a second to confirm that you're on the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. Click Sales. This takes you into the core sales modules where your leads, contacts, and deals live. If your sidebar is minimized, hover or expand it so the labels are visible. The idea here is to get directly to the records you want to merge. Next, click Leads. This module lists all the potential customers you're tracking. You can switch to a view that best fits your task, like a filtered list or a specific territory, so you only work with relevant records. It's a good habit to glance at a few fields like name and company to make sure the data looks clean before you merge it into a document. Now, select the leads you want to include. Use the checkboxes next to each record or the header checkbox to select all currently displayed leads. Be intentional here. Only select the people who should receive the merged output. If your list is long, consider a smaller test group first to confirm the template aligns with your data. With your leads selected, look to the top of the list and click the three dots, often labeled More or shown as a menu icon. From that menu, choose Mail Merge. This opens the merge workflow. Tied to your selected records, you'll be prompted to select a template. Choose the template that matches the type of document you need, like a letter, proposal, or information sheet. Templates are pre-designed files with merge fields such as first name, company, and other lead details, so the output is personalized automatically. If a preview is available, use it to confirm that placeholders map correctly to your lead fields. Finally, click Merge. Zoho will process each selected lead and create the corresponding personalized documents based on your template. Once it completes, review one of the generated files to ensure names, formatting, and branding look right. That's it. By following these steps, navigating to sales, opening leads, selecting the right records, choosing Mail Merge, picking your template, and clicking Merge, you'll streamline document creation and keep your outreach consistent and accurate.